What up, gang? Today I want to share with you guys how easy it could get to build with NodeOpsGPT. We already did this sometime earlier in the week. However, when I got a reply from one of my contacts via X that the link when they tried wasn't functioning, so I had to create another one. And you wouldn't believe I created this barely a few minutes ago simply because I already had the prompt, registered at the back of my mind. So let's get started. All right. So I basically just came to, I'll share the link along the thread, gtp.com / all of that. And then I basically just fed it a prompt. Now, mind you, I'm particularly using my mobile device for this because I have a feeling everyone else is going to use a PC. So it might give off this vibe as if you require a PC to deploy anything. But believe me, not with this environment. You can actually deploy with your mobile phones and all of that. So it's basically the same step as using any regular AI you would use. However, this is simpler, more productive, and as a matter of fact, more sophisticated. So it was a very simple prompt. All right, let's just read my prompt together. I said, let's create a word puzzle game with up to 5 players with an admin pocket to allow lead enter words up to 10. Use dark blue and off-white colors as theme, and voila, that was it. It came back to me with some suggestions, and for the ones I agreed, I just yes all that, and it was a very straightforward process. It showed me the tech stack and asked for some final confirmations, and then it started building, and it straight up gave birth to what you're looking at now on my other screen. So I'm just going to switch to that tab now. You see, it allowed me enter up to 5 player names for a single game. And guys, this is a very simple platform, as in I haven't even bothered about appearances for now. I might fix that later. I might not. I'm not so big on those, but anyways, you can see the admin pockets, but I'm not going to focus on that. I'm just going to skip and put some not so random names within our ecosystem. Guys, I know these other guys are going to laugh when I spell them out. So all right, so one last name might want to add. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and start the game. Now you see it's given us obviously it's a 5-letter word, and each player has 30 seconds to guess a letter to make up that word. So I'll go ahead and take a few guesses. Who knows, might be right, might be wrong. Now I'm wrong. I guessed an N, I guessed a C. Correct. So what do you think we're going to be spelling for the rest of for the rest of the game to complete this word? Or what's the next person supposed to use as their own alphabets to guess? Basically, yeah, this is a game of words. All right, you get to guess what word it is supposed to form up the 5 spaces up here, and each player has 30 seconds, and the game just goes round and round and round. And basically, it's not about the game. Actually, it's about how easy it is to build. So guys, you should really hop on, click on the link, bring your wildest ideas to life, and let me know what you think in the comments.